The idea of motivation is sabotaging you right now. I know what it's like to not feel ready, to feel the resistance, to make a million excuses, why it's not the perfect time to start, there's so much going on, blah, blah, blah. We think that in order to start, we have to feel inspired and motivated. But the truth is that the inspiration comes from the work that we are avoiding. It's hard to feel inspired when you're constantly doubting yourself and making excuses and caught in this cycle of saying you're gonna do something and then not doing it. But when you show up before you feel ready, you gain confidence, you build momentum, you basically collect evidence that you are the kind of person that shows up. You are the kind of person that when you say you're gonna do something, you do it, and you can keep your word to yourself that you're gonna do something. And that is why I say that motivation is a myth, not because it doesn't exist, but because we have the order of everything all wrong. You see, we think that motivation leads to action, when in reality, it's the action that creates motivation. It is motivating to show up to your workout even when you have a million excuses not to. It is motivating to say you're gonna do something and accomplish that. It is motivating to be the kind of person who stops making excuses. When you start aligning your actions with the actions that the ideal you or the person that you wanna become would take, that's when you'll start to become her. And you gotta let those actions motivate you to keep going, even though sometimes it's gonna feel sluggish and it's gonna feel hard. Let me tell you something. Us humans, we are not built for happiness. We are built for comfort. Our brains are wired to keep us comfortable. And what keeps us comfortable is what is familiar. So if you're stuck in that same routine, in that same cycle of making excuses, saying you're gonna do something and then not doing it, guess what your brain is gonna do? It's gonna prioritize doing that same thing over and over again. We have to break that cycle, and that does feel uncomfortable. And let me tell you something else. No one is coming to do the work for you. No one is coming. It has to come from you. I can't reach through the screen and force you to come out into the mat. Of course, I'm gonna do everything in my power to push you to be a good coach. I'm gonna show you the right workouts with the right form. I'm gonna motivate you, hype you up, struggle alongside you. Ultimately, the choice has to come from you. And choosing not to act, choosing to stay the same is also a choice. It is also a decision. There is no neutral choice. Like, we think by choosing to stay the same, everything stays the same. But it doesn't, because every day you get older, the world does not stop spinning, and as we age, all the choices of what we didn't do catch up to us and can have some real consequences. The good news is that it's never too late to decide to go for it, to create a different path, a different reality for yourself. You are the sum of all your tiny little decisions, and every single day you have the choice of whether to show up as that highest version of yourself or stay the same. Believe me when I tell you, I am feeling all the resistance regarding starting my workout plan on Monday. I have so many excuses. I have a baby, I'm busy, I don't have any childcare, I don't have a nanny. Like, it's been a lot going on. I'm not sleeping that much, but I know that I am the best version of myself. I'm the best mom, I'm the best partner, I'm the best coach, I'm the best friend I could be when I carve out that time to put my health, to put my fitness first. And it is not selfish, by the way, to work out. It is actually the most selfless thing you can do, because you're increasing your lifespan, you're increasing your energy, you're feeling more balanced with yourself. It affects how you interact with the world around you, the way you carry yourself. It affects everything. Anyway, so if you want to join me on Monday, my 5x30 plan starts. It's 5 workouts a week, 30 minutes each. Okay, this is a plan made for real life. That's our little slogan, because it's true. I am not a 20-year-old little influencer anymore that has all the time in the world. My main job is to work out and I have no responsibilities. I have a baby now. I'm a fitness app owner and I've got real life responsibilities. I'm a new mama. Like, it has been hard, okay? It's been hard. But I'm determined to just get out of my comfort zone and establish my routine for 2026. If you want to join me, all you need is a pair of dumbbells. The workouts are all going up on my app, Daily Thrive. Just after the start date, you can join in whenever. We usually have people join a week or two late and just do it all alongside. We have like a forum on the app where everyone pushes each other, which is really fun. So yeah, if you're interested in that, more details will be in the description down below. Hopefully I'll see you there. But regardless, take this video as a sign that it is time to crush your goals, baby, and put yourself first.